Good day. In this video we're going to look at how we're going to solve problems where we end up with half angles being asked in trigonometry in grade 12. If there is any school mathematical problem that you suffer with, you can take a WhatsApp photo of it and send it to this number. Then we will analyze it, make a video for you and place it for free on this channel that other people can benefit from your question. Like I said, we're going to work in this video with half angles. It's a grade 12, level 4 type of question, and you will run into this situation or this situation where they say cos or half a, and some people have trouble understanding this is the same. Cos or half of a is another way of writing it. Then you can also run into sine or half a, written in a different way, sine or half a. Next thing I assume is that you know your double angle identities. Here's your sine 2a identity, the cos 2a that can be written in three different ways. For the cos half a, I'm going to go through that formula, and for the sine half a, I'm going to go through this formula. First, we're going to start to find an identity for cos a half a. And we're going to find it by using this double angle formula. So we have here, we know that cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. And if you look at the video twice, you'll find out that it's that little piece over there that's going to help us. Now, all we're going to do is formula manipulation to get that piece alone. First, I took the minus 1 to the other side. Then I divided by 2 to get that 2 away. Now, don't lose me. I just brought that guy to that side. I took this guy to the other side. Now, to get rid of this square in the air, we square root both sides. And remember, in algebra, that we put a plus minus if you square root both sides of an equation. Now we say, now let us make the angle A a half a by substituting these two red guys. Then our identity will look like this. That a was replaced by a half a, so will I have to replace it at the back there then. And then voila, here is an identity for cos half a, which you can now use wherever you want to, or should I say where it's needed. Now, very much using the same way, we're going to find an identity for sine half a. Now we will start with this double angle formula. Specifically because we're going for sine, we want to try and isolate that piece that I scratched in there. You will take this 2 sine square a to this side to get it positive, and take this cos 2a over to this side. Then to get the 2 away, I will just divide by 2 on this side. Then we will square root both sides, and remember the plus minus to get rid of that square there. Then I wrote, now let a equal a half a. We made those two goals over there, half a each, which we did with substitution. That'll look like this now. Then here is our identity for sine a half a. It's plus or minus half, bracket 1 minus cos a. And like I said, this video is not for the faint of heart. It is for level 4. Enjoy. Then finally, like we said in the beginning, if there's any school-based maths problem that you have trouble with, you can WhatsApp it to this number. We will look at it, analyze it, and make a video for you for free and place it on this channel like we did this one was requested.